This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Mount Prospect, looking at a Metra train that will take you downtown in about 33 minutes at rush hour. Panning around for a look at the scene here. Starbucks directly across the street, the Oberweis Dairy next door to it. Variety of shops and restaurants. And I'm headed 2 short blocks north for a walk through one of the apartments at the all-new 10 North Main. I've just walked into apartment 416, a one-bedroom with an unusually spacious living dining area. Looking at a great kitchen, breakfast bar peninsula, can easily seat 4. It's a very wide, deep undermount sink under the quartz counter. Gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher. Really great cabinet and counter space. Contrasting upper and lower white and gray cabinetry. Tile backsplash. Under cabinet lighting. 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. The wow size room again. Coat closet straight ahead. Another closet adjacent to the kitchen. Heading deeper into the living area. It's a wide balcony. Looking out over the street. You have a ton of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture in this space. I'm seeing one area where I'd be likely to place a home office desk or a dining room hutch. Turning into the bedroom, blonde plank flooring continues. Plenty of space in this room for really any size bedding, additional furniture, and your home office desk if you prefer it here, or if you need 2. So walk through closet into the bath. Front-loading washer dryer in the closet. Hanging space on both sides. Bath has a walk-in shower. White tile on the surround. And nice sized vanity. Strip lighting in the mirror up above. White quartz counter with an undermount sink. And there's a tandem entry out to the living dining area. 10 North Main has an appealing suite of amenities. Very attractive location. If you're looking for all new high-style apartments in Chicago's northwest suburbs, definitely want to put 10 North Main on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.